Recently had a client asking this question during a consultation. What they can do if their work permit is about to expire and the employer has applied for an LMIA but has not yet received a response from Service Canada, and whether they can still apply to extend their work permit. So this is a very good question, and many of you may be wondering about the same thing. So I thought I would share this with everyone. So if you are a worker in Canada and your current work permit is expiring, but your employer's LMIA application is still stuck in processing, you have a very narrow window to protect your right to work. Usually, you cannot apply for a loan extension unless you have a positive LMIA and valid employment contract or a letter of job offer. Therefore, never apply for your work permit extension too early. IRCC guidelines specify that you should only submit your work permit extension based on a pending LMIA if your current permit is about to expire in next 2 weeks or less. So in this situation, IRCC may keep your application on hold until a final LMIA decision is received, which generally takes around 60 days or so. So if you have more time than that, then please wait for the actual LMIA decision. But if you are inside that 14 days window, submit your extension application immediately to protect your status. So by applying before your permit expires, you gain maintained status under IRPR section 186 subsection U. This is a legal bridge that allows you to keep working under the same conditions. So you don't need any new letter to have this right, because the law itself grants it the moment you file that extension. Now, if your employer is worried, you can call IRCC to request an email confirmation or an interim authorization, also called the proof of work letter. But you usually get this letter generated within your portal or your representative's portal within a few days after you submit your work permit extension application. This helps prove that you are legal within Canada, but remember, the authority comes from the acts and regulations, not the email itself. So, as long as you were valid when you applied, you can keep earning your paycheck. Again, this is not some kind of dummy application, it is completely legal and valid. Another scenario, if you wait too long and your work permit expires, the rules get much tougher because you enter a 90 days restoration period where you must stop working immediately. In this case, you cannot even apply for the extension until you have the final LMIA decision letter and a signed contract in hand. So don't let it expire. Seek professional legal help to protect your status. Stay legal and stay informed.